Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows upgrade error code at 0070001F. Similarly 0x4000D. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search here CMD, run as administrator. Type here this command line sfc /scan now. Press enter. Now once this complete, close and restart your system. Again click on CMD. So search, run as administrator, and this time you need to type the second command line dism.exe /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So complete this scanning, and guys, both command will get couple of minutes. So complete these both scanning one by one and every time restart. So this is the method guys to fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.